heal.
I used it on a dog earlier.
Help me.
I can't heal anyone. I healed her. She was on fire and she was our friend, so she got priority.
I'm your friend.
This is a low on my triage meter.
Crisis. Have you cast the heal spell yet?
Yes, I was bleeding.
We hate all of yous. I will bring her. Wait, you.
Wait.
Bring her back to me.
I have a wife and a little one.
Wait, is she a slave or not?
Just
Are you alive?
Hold on.
Oh, Commander Bele.
Oh, you're still alive too?
No, please.
Why didn't we just do that?
Are you alive too? To end all of this strife, I bring my lizards back to life. Get out of the pathetic beasts. Now.
The lizards are alive again.
You.
Found us.
All of you over there. Over there. What a day. Now. You will all follow them. Yes.
The party will follow them.
And we'll fight.